Hello everybody, welcome to the first tutorial series in my web tutorial series for MySQL and PHP. Right? Let's get on with it. I've decided to actually go ahead and show everybody how to create a database in their local environment using MySQL admin. So I already think I have it up. Yes, I do. I've already created the database. We're going to drop it. Drop. Gone. So the database is gone. Right. I've already created a few scripts for this. Just kind of had them sitting by from other projects. So we're going to utilize those to test our new database. Right. So the database name is right here. Database name. Here we go. Control V. There we go. Collation. We're going to use a Latin general case sensitive. I like to be kind of nifty like that. A lot of people use case insensitive because they just want to be able to type it out and have it work. And it's a lot more test time because sometimes you'll forget, oh, well, there was an uppercase letter right here. Crap, now I gotta go back. But you're used to that with other languages. If you write other languages, most of them are case sensitive. So if you don't type it out right, it's not going to function right. Alright, enough of that. Create my database. So simple it hurts. Alright, the next thing you have to do is check the privileges. You want all the privileges to be yes. And you want to add a new user. A user has been added for this account already, so it's not going to let me create another user of the same name, but we're going to go through the process regardless. Okay, so we grab our username, which we already have because it's the same as the database name. Paste it in there. Our host is a local host, and the password is a text field. There's our password. Control V. Retype password. Control V. You can also have one generated for you. Don't need to generate it because we have to know what the password is. Although I'm pretty sure it shows you what that password is. And then down here in the corner that you cannot see, I could shrink this down or move it a little here. Look, see? There's a go button. We got a go button. Put that back where it was. Okay, and hit go. It's going to tell me I can't, oh wait, make sure it says grant all privileges on database, localhost, and make sure you check all these boxes. And don't put any limits on yourself because that would be a headache too. Hit go. Mine's going to say you already have it. Yours is going to say user successfully created or something like that. And voila, your database is set. Your database has privileges. And now we can test this database. X this out. That's my Facebook page. Go back to this. You know what? Would have been a smart idea to do this. Close this. There we go. Ha. I'm set up. I really am. I'm ready for this. Alright, so what we did was we had to create a couple scripts using these variables: database host, localhost, database username, database password, and database name. DB underscore name, DB underscore pass, DB underscore username. You know, you can read it. I have a high enough resolution, so if it's not right, change your YouTube settings to pick up the HD or manually switch it to HD so you can read this text. Okay. What you do from there, you do a MySQL connect, which is going to try to connect using your database host, username, and password, or it's going to print out on your test page unable to connect to database. And then you do a database search to try to connect to a specific database, and if it's not there, it'll say the database doesn't exist. Sorry. Lengthy, huh? And then you create this, a very simple page that requires your connect script, or you can include one's connect script. Doesn't matter the method, does not really matter, but as long as it prints out just print it out. It's easy. So then you can just echo, and whatever you want to put, you've connected, or you win, you lose, or you wouldn't want to fool yourself and put something like that, but you catch the drift. Then when we execute this, if it doesn't connect, it'll give me one of these errors. If it does connect, it will say this. So here we go. We've already ran the database. We're running it in the background. Here we go. Yay, like I didn't know that was going to happen. Alright, so you've connected to your database. Everything is set up. Everything is ready to go. We can now manipulate forms and or create database fields for whatever purposes we want. I do hope you enjoyed this video. It was very short, but the long stuff will be later on. Maybe stuff that has different parts to it and whatever else we actually require. Likes are very appreciated. Subscriptions are awesome. And hope to see you next tutorial video. Later.